Thinking of buying or selling a home in SouthCentral Wisconsin? Then you need to understand something most people overlook: bump clauses. Because if you don't know how they work, you might miss out on your dream home or lose the sale on yours. Bump clauses are unique to certain markets, and they're especially common here in Wisconsin. So if you're making or accepting offers this year, it's something you can't afford to ignore. What is a bump clause? Well, a bump clause, sometimes called a 72-hour clause, is used when a seller accepts an offer that's contingent on the buyer selling their home. It allows the seller to keep marketing the property and accept backup offers. If a new buyer comes along with a better offer, the original buyer gets a set window of time, typically 72 hours, to either remove their home sale contingency or to walk away. It's the seller's way of keeping their options open while still accepting an offer. The second thing, what buyers need to know. If you're a buyer making an offer with a home sale contingency, you'll likely be asked to agree to a bump clause. This means your offer isn't fully secure. If another buyer shows up, the clock starts ticking. You'll need to decide quickly whether you remove your contingency or possibly carry two mortgages or back out. Understand your financial flexibility before submitting a contingent offer. What sellers need to know. As a seller, a bump clause gives you more leverage and flexibility. It means you can accept an offer from a buyer who still needs to sell while still leaving the door open for stronger offers. But here's the key. You must disclose the bump clause to new buyers, and you need to manage the timeline carefully. Working with a knowledgeable agent ensures you're staying compliant and making smart choices as offers come in. In competitive markets like Madison, a bump clause can make or break a deal. Buyers should talk to their lender about bridge financing or backup plans before making a contingent offer. Sellers should weigh whether they prefer a bird in hand with a bump clause or hold out for a clean offer with no contingencies. Whether you're buying or selling in SouthCentral Wisconsin this year, I can help you understand your options and avoid costly surprises. Call or text me anytime. Let's make sure your next move is smart, strategic, and secure. Bump clause included.